Question is, a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter, mounted on a hemisphere of radius, same radius. That is, I have drawn this diagram. A cone is mounted on a hemisphere and both are of the same radius. This radius of the cone as well as hemisphere is given as how much? 3.5 centimeter. So you take is at 3.5 centimeter. Next, height of the toy. So don't get confused here. It is height of the toy. It's not height of the cone. So height of the toy means from here up to this. This height is given as 15.5 centimeter. Only this information is given to you. And you are to find out total surface area of the toy. So total surface area of the toy will be what we have to find out. Now I hope you can imagine the solid shape. Total surface area will be curved surface area of the conical part, this cone, as well as curved surface area of the hemispherical part. Now you see, in this case, at first you write radius of the cone are equal to 3.5. That's the radius of the cone also, a hemisphere also. Height of the toy as it is given in the question, 15.5 centimeter. We have drawn the diagram also. Then what will be the height of the cone? The height of the cone, you see, this part you subtract, this is nothing but radius. From here up to this, it is the height of the toy. And if I say height of the cone, from here you have to measure, this part is the height of the cone. So this part is what? Nothing but the radius of the hemisphere, 3.5, 3.5. So let us write height of cone equal to 15.5 minus 3.5, that's equal to 12 centimeter. So you obtained height of the cone is your 12 centimeter. Now it is very much clear to you that total surface area is the CSA of conical part plus CSA of hemispherical part. So now CSA, curved surface area of cone, that's nothing but formula is known to you, pi r L. L means slant height, this height. This height is your L. So pi r as it is, L is your, from this is your H, this is your L, this is your R. So L will be, by Pythagoras theorem, root over R square plus H square. And this H is the height of the cone. So calculate this pi r into under root over, here you can put the value of r, that is radius 3.5, so 3.5 whole square plus, and height is your 12 square. That's equal to pi r into under root over 35 square will be your what? 25, and 4 3s are 12, so 12.25, and 12 square known to you 144, equal to pi r times pi r into, let me write here, from here I am writing here, pi r into under root over, and if you take the sum of 12.25 and 144, so that sum will be your 144 plus 12.25, it will be 156.25. So 156.25, sum of these two numbers. And it's a perfect square, 15625 is a perfect square. So pi r into, as it is 25, unit digit will be 5 only. 56, 13 into 12, 56, that will be here 12. So, and decimal will be here. So let us keep it like this way, 12.pi r. So it's 12.5 pi r. 12.5 pi r. This is the CSA of the cone we have calculated. This part is the CSA of the cone we have calculated. Next we have to calculate CSA of the hemisphere. So now see, CSA of hemisphere will be what? So CSA, curved surface area of hemisphere. Formula is known to you. It is your, the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, and as it is hemisphere, that will be 2 pi r square. So it is your 2 pi r square. It is your 12.5 pi r, it is 2 pi r square. Value of r later on we will put. It will be convenient for us to calculate. Therefore TSA, total surface area curve of the toy equal to 12.25 12.5 pi r as it is plus CSA of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. From here take pi r common, it is just 12.5 plus pi r common, it is your 2r. Then put the value of r now. So if we put the value of r, that's equal to pi is 22 by 7. R is your r radius, you see 3.5 into 12.5 2 into r plus 2 into r is your 3.5, so 3.5. Now 7 ones are 7, here 0.5. If you multiply this, that will be L 110, 0.5 to here, just 11 will be there, just you write 11 into 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5, so 2 into 35, 70, so 7.0, just 7 you write here. Next 11 into, take the sum, it is your 19.5. Now what to do? Just multiply 11 and 19.5 and you will get the answer as 214.5 centimeter square. If you calculate this, 214.5 centimeter square, this is the area of the toy. So this way you can